Hi everyone, Jacob Woodring, the Wayside Railroader here. I'm basically here today to give you some updates about where I've been and why I haven't posted in a while. So we're going to do that right now on the Wayside Railroader. Okay, for starters, the main reason why you haven't seen me in a while is because, well, I don't have anything to post right now. I really don't. I do have this Illinois Central Atlas boxcar, but it's 2-rail, and I run 3-rail, so I'm going to have to do a conversion from 2-rail to 3-rail. That'll be a video all its own, so watch out for that. And before I go on, let me tell you about something I have planned, huh? Okay, let me tell you what I'm going to be working on besides converting the Illinois Central boxcar from 2-rail to 3-rail. I and my friend Adam Tuck are going to be working on a little something that's basically 3 things. 1, it's going to involve making a modular or portable layout with Lionel Super O track. Number 2, it's going to be a big project. And number 3, well, I am going to make videos about it along the way, so when we start working on it, expect to see videos of that, as I don't want to reveal too much right now, other than the fact that I'm going to make 2 custom locomotive models for it. Not going to say what they are right now, so you will have to wait. Oh, I forgot one thing. I am going to be getting a crew together, besides just Adam Tuck and I, to work on this big project that I'm not going to say what it is yet. Yeah. So, other than that, there's not really much else I can update you about other than I don't have anything to post. I'm going to work on a little something, and once I get to it, I'm going to make videos of it. Also, you might be wondering to yourself, Jacob, where are you going to get Lionel Super O track? eBay? JLMtrains.com? That's what I'm thinking anyway. Yeah. So, other than that, that's all I really have to tell you right now. Don't have much else to say. So I'm Jacob Woodring. I'll catch you maybe later. Maybe. All right, see ya.